as this Russian BMP-2 has been abandoned by the crew. Sometimes it seems the crew intentionally wants the Ukrainian drone army to destroy the vehicle, as they leave as many hatches open as possible with ammunition inside, making any hit to be sure to take out the BMP. And as this Ukrainian drone came in for a strike, the destruction was immediate, making the BMP to burn in an inferno, as if it was storing excess fuel inside, destroying another of Russia's equipment, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.